We will make a quick snack today. We will fry bread in lard, rub it with garlic, and serve the fried garlicky bread with scrambled eggs. You will need 1 slice of sourdough bread, 1 tablespoon of lard, 1 clove of garlic, 2 eggs, salt, chives, and salad, such as cucumber and tomato. Let's chop the chives first, with a knife. Then, peel a clove of garlic. Heat up a pan, and add about a tablespoon of good quality lard. Put 1 slice of sourdough bread into the pan. Fry for a short while on one side, and flip over to the other side, once the bread has a nice golden brown color. When both sides are cooked, transfer the bread to a plate. Rub the garlic all over the fried bread. You do not need a grater, as the fried bread is quite crispy. We will make scrambled eggs, using the melted lard that is left in the pan. Break 2 eggs into the pan. Stir the eggs, and cook them gently. Once the scrambled eggs are cooked, heap them on top of the garlicky bread. Sprinkle with salt, and with chopped chives. You can add a bit of salad as well.